Morning, sir. Yesterday at the Senate hearing, Mr. Discaya floated House Speaker Martin Romualdez' name. He wasn't one of the congressmen allegedly directly involved po, but he was linked to one of those in the list, Mr. Congressman Marvin Rillo. What was your reaction upon hearing this po?
Alam mo, kaming lahat suffer from that, sasabihin, utos ni Presidente, utos ni Secretary, utos ni ganto. Tapos, hindi naman totoo. Kaya, we'll have to look. Kung totoo, di may problema na talagang inutos. Pero hindi, ang nakikita ko, we are all of us who are in high positions of high offices in government, all of us suffer that. Akala ko approve mo eh. Wala akong alam dyan. Sabi ni ganito, ikaw daw mga nagpa-approve nito. Sabi ko, sasabihin mo, hindi, wala akong alam dyan. Alam naman ninyo yan. Name drop lahat. Pagpapakuha ng picture. Tapos sasabihin, tingnan mo, malapit kami. Sa isang araw, 1,000 yung nagpapapicture sa akin. So lahat yung 1,000 na yun, malapit sa akin. Di ba? So people have to be more careful. At wag silang masyadong gullible. But again, it's something that all of us who are in high office suffer. All of us. Yeah.